Alright, so I picked up my Echo CS310 today, and the main reason for picking this up, I went to go look at the MS170 and the dealer was closed on a frickin' Saturday. So I went to another dealer who does Echo and Husky and Shindawa and Toro, and I went over there. So I got me a Echo hat. Heck yeah. Some Echo bar and chain. I probably could have got him to give me some fuel mix, but I've got quite a few bottles of it, so, and some safety goggles. So yeah, Echo has a 5-year warranty on that thing. That's awesome. The MS170 I was going to go look at only has a 2-year. If you buy the 6-pack of Platinum Mix, I think you get 1 extra year. I think that's the way it worked on my blower. So anyway, let's go take a look at the chainsaw real quick. So that was the CS310. There's the Echo. I don't know. I guess I could have played more with it, but I mean, we cut up some decent sized, and then I cut that in half. So it's not a bad little chainsaw, a little 14-inch bar. So yeah, not bad at all.